love the open they
That
made
was
for us,
fantastic.
too. Oh, we forgot one thing.
Uh-oh. Oh, yes.
There you go.
We've got to be, there we go. We got to be in the right spirit here.
Get our green on there. Okay, so we are going to be making a couple of fun St. Patrick's Day themed recipes today. One of them is a Guinness brisket, which Guinness corned beef with all your traditional cabbage, potatoes, carrots, and all that stuff. I've got one going in the crock pot, and we're going to tell you how to prepare it. So if you want to run to the store and get a corned beef brisket, you can get one today and have it ready to go for tomorrow. Easy peasy. Right now we're going to make Irish milkshake, something fun for you and the kids to do.
All right.
Awesome. Okay, so this one is pretty simple. It takes a pint of vanilla ice cream, and go ahead, Chris, and go ahead and scoop out, which is about 2 cups of vanilla ice cream. We're going to put that in our blender. You're going to have to get to scooping. Okay, and then you're going to add in 1 1/4 cup of milk.
What do you think, one more maybe?
No, like 2 more of those.
Two, okay.
Yeah, 2 more of those.
This is why I'm not allowed to cook.
And then you're gonna, the recipe calls for 7 chocolate covered mint patties, depending on what size that you have. If you have smaller ones, you need more, obviously. We are reserving, this serves 4, so we're gonna reserve 4 of them, and I'm gonna use 3 of them in the recipe. I don't want it to be too chocolatey. I'm not a big fan of chocolate.
The ice cream, there we go. All right,
put those in there. And let's see how successful we can be at blending this stuff.
Okay.
I probably should have put those towards the bottom, but that's okay.
Oh, they'll still blend, right?
Okay. Get it going. Oh! One more thing we're going to add now is food coloring. We got to have it green, right?
Absolutely.
So you need about 6 drops. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, something like that.
All right. 6, 7 drops approximately of some green
6
food
to 8,
coloring.
yeah. So depending on how dark you want it. Okay, let's see how we can do. Ooh. I think I want to add a little bit more food coloring.
Yeah, notice it's not as green as we were thinking.
My mint cookies are a little bit bigger, so they have a little more chocolate in them, giving it that darker color. There we go.
There we are. That might help with the green.
I might need to go to the store and buy some more food coloring if I want to have some left for my kids.
Right.
Or for Easter, making Easter eggs.
True.
Okay, so when we finish this recipe, what we're going to do, we've got our milkshake going here. Might need a little bit more ice cream in there too, I think, Chris. Let's put a little more ice cream in there.
Okay.
Scoop that in there.
There we are.
Yeah, 1 more. Those were pretty small. There you go. Well, we don't want it to be runny.
No, we do not. We want a good milkshake here.
There we go. Delightful. Okay, hand me the mug. And we are going to pour this in here successfully without making a huge mess.
Okay. So far, so good. No huge messes yet.
Beautiful. Mine's a little chunkier than yours.
Okay.
Okay, and then you top it off simply with just a little bit of whipped topping. And put a Thin Mint on each one. Put a cookie on each one of those, Chris.
Okay.
Well, yeah, there you go. There
Not
is
bad.
your Irish milkshake.
So the question is, how does it taste?
Yeah,
Not bad.
not bad.
Not bad at all.
And if you do it right, you're going to get whipped topping all over your face.
Yeah. We've got to avoid that. At least I need to. But yeah, no, this is not bad. You should try it at home.
All right, well, stick around on the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14. We're going to show you how to prepare my Guinness corned beef brisket. We'll be right back.